Il-minuta tibda issa. Justin Amrhein, artist. Justin, where did the idea for Dystopian Garden come from?
Conceptually, my work has been kind of going down that path for years, but the space at Spotsu, the atrium space where this exhibition is going to be taking place, it has this look of a botanical garden in a way. It has, glass ceiling, and there's a living palm tree inside the space. So it's just kind of an easy link to make.
And what inspired you to find the similarities or the link between machinery and nature?
I've always been drawn to nature, but also very curious about technology, how things work. And over time, as my work has evolved, I just kind of made this link of like, how do plants work? And can I recreate that in some way?
What do you wish for the audience to take from your works?
I hope to open up a conversation about environmentalism, climate change, and like actions that we can take, and kind of get people to think of how they can take more action and get our leaders to lead the right way.